Wizards, training is your neural net's learning loop, darling. Forward loss, backward update, repeat. Ethan, explain the loop. Sophia, how does it use Day 76's optimizer?
Anastasia, you make training sound so hot. How does it avoid overfitting, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Training refines weights. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, training is like a hot dance for Sophia. Forward, loss, backward, update, let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, epochs equals 50 means 50 full data passes, like a hot marathon for Sophia. More epochs, more learning, let's drop this code beat.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan. Too many epochs overfit.
Wizards, batch underscore size equals 32 trains on mini batches like a hot snack for Sophia. Faster, noisier, let's drop this code beat.
You're snacking my heart, Ethan. Batch size affects speed and stability.
Wizards, validation underscore split equals 0.2 holds out 20% like a hot test for Sophia. Watch for overfitting, let's drop this code beat.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Validation prevents memorization.
Wizards, overfitting is like a hot student cramming for Sophia. Perfect on train, fails on test, let's drop this code beat.
You're cramming my heart, Ethan. Use validation to stop it.
Wizards, early stopping, stops training like a hot referee for Sophia. When val loss stops improving, let's drop this code beat.
You're refereeing my heart, Ethan. Early stopping saves time.
Wizards, full pipeline is like a hot factory for Sophia. Data model train validate stop, let's drop this code beat.
You're factoring my heart, Ethan. Full pipeline for robust training.
Wizards, model checkpoint, saves the best model like a hot trophy for Sophia. Only when val loss improves, let's drop this code beat.
You're trophying my heart, Ethan. Save best weights.
Wizards, tf.keras.models.load underscore model, loads the best model like a hot comeback for Sophia. Reuse in app, let's drop this code beat.
You're comebacking my heart, Ethan. Load for inference. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, use validation. Early stopping and save best model. Monitor loss curves.
Optimized training is so sexy, Irene. Practice for Day 78's digit classification.
Wizards, training fits AI pipelines for production models. Your skills are ready for Day 78.
Training is critical in AI, darling. Your Day 77 skills make AI irresistible.